Okay, let's clap.
I'm going to my country, Nigeria, tomorrow for just short trip, business trip. So, if you're in Nigeria, hit me up. So, one. Let's go. One, two, go. No, I dropped this. The oil. I cannot stand. Like I'm not holding. One, two, three, go. One, two, go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Carissimo. Oh shit. Okay, let's do last massage and last clapping. Let me do this. That's not easy. Come to the oil. Yeah, let's do last. Look at my stomach. See, I can fold it. Let's clap. Last clapping. Not gonna take time like that. See my back. 2. My body now has adapted to not eating. I had nothing since yesterday, and it's not good because when I lose weight, I'm not gonna look good. My back will disappear, my face will be looking sick. So I don't think this weight loss journey will be going, far. But at least I'm not looking bad. My stomach has gone inside. I miss this. Okay. We don't have that big one here anymore. This oil skin is not actually showing like that. Let's go. I think I'm doing a good job. So I don't know when I'm gonna do this again. Well, if I get to Nigeria and I'm able to make videos, I will definitely do it. But I think I'll be able to make it, but it's gonna be short videos. Oh, thank you, and bye guys.